Hong Kong, a vibrant culinary melting pot, holds on to traditions. One such tradition is sesame oil brewing. Passed down through generations, this craft is more than just cooking. It's a story of flavor, culture, and history. Imagine the aroma of toasted sesame seeds filling the air. This fragrant oil is a staple in Cantonese cuisine. Its rich, nutty flavor elevates dishes. It adds depth to marinades, noodles, and soups. Sesame oil is not just an ingredient, it represents the heart of Hong Kong's culinary heritage. It's a testament to the city's love for authentic, time-honored flavors. Let's explore the journey from humble sesame seed to this liquid gold. The journey begins with raw sesame seeds, often imported from East Asia. These tiny seeds hold the potential for incredible flavor. The first step is crucial roasting. Roasting is an art form. It requires precision and a keen sense of smell. The seeds are gently heated in large woks. This transforms their flavor profile. The heat releases their natural oils and nutty aromas. The roaster's experience is key. They determine the perfect roast for the desired oil. Light roasting yields a milder oil. Dark roasting creates a more intense, robust flavor. Once roasted to perfection, the sesame seeds cool. Then comes the next stage, grinding. This step is crucial for extracting the precious oil. Traditional stone mills were once commonplace. Today, many artisans use modern machinery, but the principle remains the same: to crush the seeds into a paste. This paste, called sesame butter, is rich and fragrant. It's the foundation of the oil. The next step, pressing, extracts the oil from this butter. Traditional methods involve pressing the paste in layers of cloth. This squeezed out the oil, drop by precious drop. Nowadays, mechanical presses streamline the process. But the goal remains to extract the purest sesame oil possible. Section 4. The essence of flavor cooking and filtering. The extracted oil undergoes a final, crucial step, cooking. Now, this isn't for cooking food, it's about refining the oil itself. Gentle heating removes any remaining moisture, which prevents spoilage and extends the oil's shelf life. It also deepens the color and flavor. The oil transforms into a beautiful amber hue. After cooking, the oil is carefully filtered. This removes any remaining sediment. The result is a clear, fragrant oil, ready to enhance Hong Kong's vibrant cuisine. Section 5. A taste of tradition sesame oil in Hong Kong's cuisine. Sesame oil is more than just an ingredient in Hong Kong. It's woven into the fabric of the local cuisine. Its unique flavor profile adds depth and complexity to countless dishes. Think of a steaming bowl of wonton noodles. The fragrant broth is often drizzled with a touch of sesame oil, adding a nutty aroma and a silky texture. Or imagine stir-fried vegetables sizzling with flavor. A dash of sesame oil at the end adds a rich finish, elevating the dish and making it uniquely Hong Kong. Sesame oil is also a key ingredient in many marinades and sauces. It adds depth to meat dishes and infuses vegetables with savory notes. Section 6. Keeping the flame alive. Sesame oil's enduring legacy. In today's fast-paced world, traditional crafts often face challenges. But in Hong Kong, sesame oil brewing continues to thrive. This is due in part to the city's deep respect for its culinary heritage. Many local restaurants still source their sesame oil from traditional brewers. They understand that the quality and flavor of this handcrafted oil are unmatched. The demand for authentic, high-quality ingredients is growing. Consumers are rediscovering the unique flavors that traditional sesame oil brings to their dishes. This renewed interest offers hope and ensures that the legacy of sesame oil brewing in Hong Kong will continue to thrive for generations to come. To